Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master 16. Let us go directly to our quiz. Chromosomes move to the middle and line up as pairs in the cell. Metaphase I in meiosis. Chromosome pairs move apart in the cell. Anaphase I in meiosis. Chromosomes unwind, two new nuclei and membrane are formed. Telophase I in meiosis. Cell membrane splits in two. Cytokinesis I, meiosis. Type of reproduction in which cells form two parents unite to form the first cell of a new organism. Sexual reproduction. Chromosomes line up individually in the middle of the cell. Metaphase II, meiosis. Chromosomes split apart into chromatids. Anaphase II, meiosis. Chromosomes unwind and four new nuclei are formed. Telophase II, meiosis. The cell splits into four new final cells. Kinesis II, meiosis. A part of the cell containing DNA and RNA and responsible for growth and reproduction. nucleus. The thread-like structure of nucleic acid and protein found in the nucleus of most living cells, carrying genetic information in the form of genes. Chromosomes. A network of fibers that holds the cell together, helps the cell to keep its shape and aid in movement. Cytoskeleton. A cell structure that forms a maze of passageways in which protein and other materials are carried from one part of the cell to another. Endoplasmic reticulum. Site of protein synthesis. Ribosomes. Organelle that packages and distributes proteins. Golgi complex. A type of cell lacking a membrane enclosed nucleus and membrane enclosed organelles found in domains Bacteria and Archaea. Prokaryotic cell. Contains a nucleus and other organelles that are bound by membranes. Eukaryotic cells. The basic unit of structure and function in living things. Cell. Small membrane sacs that specialize in moving products into, out of, and within a cell. Vesicles. An organelle found in large numbers in most cells, in which the biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur. Mitochondria. a rigid layer of non-living material that surrounds the cells of plants and some other organisms. Cell wall. A large vacuole that rests at the center of most plant cells and is filled with a solution that contains a high concentration of solutes. Central vacuole. Dear friends, thank you for trying out Biology Master Part 16. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.